Hello friends, together, let's draw and color two beautiful flowers. Let's begin. Beautiful flowers come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Some flowers are big and round, while others are small and delicate. Beautiful flowers smell sweet and make people feel happy. Flowers make the world look bright and cheerful. Beautiful flowers come in many colors. What's your favorite color for a flower? Beautiful flowers have soft petals. Can you pretend to touch a soft flower petal? Beautiful flowers grow in gardens and fields. Where do you like to see flowers the most? We're ready to add colors to these flowers. Let's start with color yellow. Then, a light shade of pink. We have a mint green. Next is color pink. We have green color. And then, violet. Magnificent! These flowers are bright and colorful. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.